I'm Lucy. I'm Head of Design at My Bespoke Room, and I'm going to take you through one of my recent projects I've worked with on a client. I did 5 different rooms within their home. They'd recently moved in. They needed help with layouts, everything from furniture to finishing touches. This is the formal living room. They've got a separate sort of playroom and family day-to-day living room. So in this space they already had 2 really beautiful sofas, but the room just needed sort of pulling together. It needed some finishing touches. The main thing we started off with was layouts, working out the best layout for the space, and we decided to put a rug in the centre of the room to really sort of anchor the furniture. A really lovely feature light fitting as well, and that sits beautifully over a coffee table in the centre of the room. We wanted to add a little bit of colour, but keep it fairly muted, so we kept it to sort of earthy pinks, sage greens, natural materials. This is a really lovely home office, but it wasn't the brightest room in the house, so we wanted to make sure that we can bounce plenty of light around the room. So we incorporated a really beautiful textured mirror directly opposite the window, so it could bounce lots of light around the room. And then it's a really nice thing to add a picture ledge, and then you can style it with a plant or some artwork. So I think it was really nicely dressed behind the sofa here. The other thing in this space was to maximise the storage, so we decided to put some built-in bespoke storage to the whole of this end of the room. We mixed it up with this really gorgeous sort of deep green, added the pops of brass with these beautifully textured handles, and then added that warmth with the timber as well to break it up. The desk area, we wanted to add some lights and task lighting, but not necessarily clutter up the desk with a lamp. So we opted for a really clever plug-in wall light. So it's adjustable, you can plug it in, you don't need to get an electrician in, and you can just switch it on and off when you need that extra light. So this is a day-to-day family room. It needs to double up as a playroom as well, so have plenty of storage for toys, but also, you know, we wanted it to look stylish and be a place for adults to be able to relax in the evening, and plenty of spaces to be able to hide away those plastic toys that you don't want on show. We've chosen some really stylish toy storage, and there's a mixture of hidden storage at low level, so little ones can put away their toys and not have it all on display in the evening, but then also some nice display shelves as well, so they can see what toys they want to grab and play with in the daytime. The other thing we did was the sofa. You could see the back of the sofa as you walked into the space, so by adding this really stylish sideboard, it disguises the back of the sofa and it provides plenty of extra storage. It's this really gorgeous corner sofa in this great navy blue colour, so we just paired it up with this really soft blush pink, and also added plenty of texture and a little bit of pattern in the cushions, and also these poofs as well, and the rugs. So yeah, it all ties together really beautifully.